Hey guys, my name is Mike Munzing with Munzing Mortgage Group. I've been down here in South Orange County for about 27 years or so. Got a little bit dolled up today for you, a little special weekend coming. It is 4th of July, Independence Day, just fantastic. I hope you get to spend some great time with friends. My wife and I, we so enjoy the holiday. We spent it over in Costa Mesa with some good friends. It's like a war zone there. It's a lot of fun. So it should be a great Saturday. I will be working open houses both days. I'll hit the open houses in the early afternoon on Saturday. If you need me, certainly if you need me Sunday, I am here for you. You can reach me at 949-689-5626. If you're holding an open house and want a really efficient, effective, and complete financing flyer, shoot me a MLS number. I've designed it to import from the MLS. I'll email that over to you in a color PDF file. Very effective, very handy. This week I'm touching on the propertyradar.com webpage and report. You can get the link there at www.propertyradar.com. Go over to the website, some great tools. It is a subscription site for a lot of other services, but the report is free. It's a very good report, covers all of California, and let's see what they have to say today. Now, this is the report for May. So what they're covering is the report for April up into May. It's not currently today, but it's for May and before. But it does state that the California single-family homes and condo sales fell about 3.5% for the month of April, and that leveled off at about 38,249 properties. And that is due to a decline in both distressed and non-distressed sales. Interesting, kind of a broad spectrum over the last month. And the median home prices, now that's kind of where the middle of all the prices are, and that fell about 1.8% down to $396,750. Now, the year over year, we're actually up, which is interesting, up by 2.3%, and that's from a previous year's of 36,096. Very interesting there. What the head gal over at Property Radar said, while home sales were up statewide, results varied regionally. Year over year sales posted solid increases in Southern California, where we are, and Central California, likely due to lower price points and better affordability. But we're lower up in the Bay Area, where many potential home buyers have been priced out of the market. It's been a tough up there, but most of us are down here in Orange County, which is great. We saw a nice bump here, about 5.6% increase year over year for Orange County. Let's take a look at some of the graphs and charts that they put together here. Very good information. I'll move out of the way and let you see those. The first one is once again for that home sales number. Now this is the month over month. You can see the trend. It's very, very tight graph, hard to see a little bit. Trying to make it big enough for you. Now overall, it is down for all properties month over month by 3.5%, and it is down 8.6% for just the distressed. So the distressed are really having a tough time now. Obviously, as you know, the foreclosures and the short sales are not very prevalent at the moment. This next chart is the year over year, and that's what I told you before, up 2.3% overall. The non-distressed was actually up 6.1%, and the distressed was way down, minus 14.5% here on the chart. The next chart is getting better. Actually, this is the home equity chart. This is the one that shows how many homes are underwater in California for the whole state. It was recently over 1 million, and now it's down to 7.8% of all the homes in California are underwater, but that's down to 680,000 homes. That was well above 1 million for quite some time. The next chart here is the one that I pay attention to, is the cash sales. Now the cash sales month over month are down about 5%, very similar to the year over year, which is down about 5.8%. And now we make our way to the foreclosures. This used to be foreclosure radar, but now it's property radar because foreclosures are such a small part of the market now. Let's take a look at what's going on with foreclosures across the board on all areas of notice of default, notice of trustee sale, and the sales are all down quite a bit. So month over month, that's varying 14%, 19% for notice of trustee sales. But you can see the big number over here is that notice of trustee sale is year over year, it's down 19.2%, also down 19.2% for month over month, very consistent. Just the numbers are way down on foreclosures. That's the biggest item there. And they're way down on this final graph is the inventories. Foreclosure distress inventories on all the different spectrums. We got the pre-foreclosures, you've got the scheduled for sale after the notice of trustee sale, and then after the sales, the REOs actually went back to the bank, and those are down 17% for the pre-foreclosures, and they are down about 13.6% for the REO properties. So very interesting report overall. That's a month or two ago. Once again, the numbers. I am sensing some activity going on out there. I hope you are as well. Certainly a great summer coming. Market's heating up. I'm getting some calls from some buyers. So I look forward to being here for you. Don't forget to send your buyers over to my online application. Fantastic. They fill in the blanks, come straight to me, very effective. Or they can call me once again at 949-689-5626. I'll be working this weekend. Love working with you. Love working with your buyers. Have a great 4th of July weekend. Take a moment to think about this beautiful country that we live in. It's all in our heads. It is still a beautiful country. No matter what you've seen in the news, in the media, we got a fantastic country, great opportunities. Well, God bless you. God bless your families. God bless this beautiful country. Let's work together. Appreciate your calls. Bye-bye.
Money, 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 money.